Good morning, everybody. It is a gorgeous day here at Option Pit. The sun is shining, the market is up, all is well in the world. As we stated kind of yesterday, kind of a one-off. Felt like yesterday felt like a one-off event, and today the market is kind of treating it like it was a one-off event. Obviously, the Dow is only 30 stocks, so when you get a big move, like in a couple of big Dow stocks, the Dow is going to be abnormally lower, and obviously naturally it's going to pull everything else lower, but part of the reason we're seeing this recovery, and maybe the Dow is kind of, not a leader, is that Apple's a big piece of the recovery, and, you get some of the other pieces like that. So, when I look, I don't see a lot of reasons for kind of an extra extended sell-off for now. I still think that there's a lot up in the air, and we're primed to have some sort of punch. All right, but we were ready for yesterday. Mark was absolutely prepared. So that was an unsurprising trade. Now we got a lot of earnings today. We got some Facebook, got some Amazon coming up. We got Google all this week. Lots of different things coming out. All right. An interesting one to watch is going to be ExxonMobil. Where's that going to go? Where's oil going to go? If you look, there's that Goldman guy was out saying oil's going to 30 again, and so it's off a little bit. I don't think it's going to 30. I do think it's near a floor, but that's that. So then, as I watch, we got the S&P up 12. I don't see a lot of good reasons for it to give away much. So I would be unshocked if, just kind of, stays around here, maybe creeps a little higher today. And the VIX probably stays above 16. I think traders are viewing 15, 16 as kind of a low range. And, that really is the story. So, for the day, we'll probably creep a little higher. That's my feeling, although who knows. We are seeing the volatility futures up a touch, which is kind of interesting, even though VXX is way down. Maybe that's just relative to the print yesterday. In terms of other things, Apple, it's interesting. If you're looking at Apple on, it really depends on when you did the straddle, right? So, we were looking at like the 13 straddle, which went out $7 odd, and is a $5 trade. So if you did the straddle Monday night, you were a big winner. If you did it Tuesday, you probably won. Or if you did the straddle Monday night, you were a loser. If you did the straddle Tuesday, you were a winner. So it's interesting how this stuff kind of moved out. But Apple, for how great those earnings are, only 8% on it. That's a ton of money. It is. But it's not even touching its all-time high, which it astounds me. I would have thought earnings like that would have gotten us up into toward the 120 level, and maybe we'll get that over the next couple of days. But I'm frankly shocked that we didn't touch 120. That's just kind of my feeling in looking at the overall markets. I do think you probably will see some additional buying. I think it'll creep higher throughout the rest of the day. Okay, well, if you've got questions, feel free to email me, marketoptionpit.com. You can call me 88-TRADE-01. Have a good one, folks.